The word motivation is very interesting, and I've been sharing the motivation again last week. When we look at motivation, we always say that what you can do so that you can really have the motivation, have the will to accomplish something for you that is beneficial for the cause, the desire that you want, and opportunity that you want. But when we talk about motivation, what it really means is that what you can do so that you can make the feeling that are you moving towards to what you want to do much more pleasant. So there's the two parts for motivation. One is that we want to see what will push us away. So mostly will be fear, will be something that unpleasant for you. So you need to be realized that you want to have more money because you don't want to feel poor. You also want to have the luxuries for you to buy the thing. So sometimes you might start from the fear moving forward, but in the end there must be a pleasant feeling that associate with what you want. So the push factor is good, so that you can really think about what you don't want to have, but much more important to also think about the pull factor of motivation, what you really want. At the end of the day, when you achieve that particular outcome, what it's going to look like for you. What would be the praise, the appreciation that you hear people talking about you? Would people say good thing about you because of the things that you have done? And what are the pleasant feelings? So when you have the pleasant feeling, it's like the feel that you put in yourself motivate you to move forward, to make you accomplish the outcome that you want. How you can accomplish the outcome that you want is when you act upon it. So motivation is about you feeling yourself so that you act upon and then seeing the results that you want. Just a quick sharing on the motivation. What are you looking for to get at the end of this year? What kind of motivation that you would want for you? Think about that. Alright, I just want to leave again to wish you may the rest of your life be the best of your life. Bye bye.